So good day guys, welcome back to the channel. Now let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our AUD. So first thing first, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, guys, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share, make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram so that once we drop one or two updates, you will not miss out on any single update. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's start with our trend on our AUDUSD, which is our AUD. So we can clearly see it right here on our 4-hour time frame. We are in a ranging market move. So basically we have three movements in the market. One, we have the uptrend move, we have the downtrend move, and we also have the ranging market move. If you take a look at this, your AUDUSD, you can see that we are in a ranging market move. So markets rallied up to come to tap this level, right, which rejected and dropped to tap our support level. It rejected from the support level and came back up to tap our resistance. Guess what market did? It also rejected from the resistance and dropped to tap our support. From the support level, if you take a look at what market did here, market did form a double bottom on the support level, which served as a confluence that made market to push up, right, gave us a bullish move and tapped our resistance. Now market has tapped our resistance. For this resistance, we should be expecting market to reject and drop back to tap our support level. So this is to tell you guys clearly that a bearish move is what we should be expecting on our AUD. So AUD should be giving us a bearish move. Now, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so you would not miss out on any single updates we'll be dropping for you guys. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So guys, this is to tell you that a bearish move is what we are going to be expecting for the day. Now, if there will be any changes to this prediction I just did, I'll make sure I let you guys to know and make sure I update you guys. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates.